We're going to count him down, or what? You're just going to throw the green flag? Keep your eyes on her. No, I don't care. Hell no. Did he go 5 times?
Watch it count out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No, Sean Fisher did not go around 5 times. He did not go around 5 times. So who's our winner, Mike?
Rules violation.
Flanagan. Sean Fisher cheated. He didn't spin around 5 times. Yeah, but only race. No, he won a race down the streets of Benton, a street sweeper last week. He's not going to win anything on it. Oh, Flanagan, you won. Really, you're that fast? Yep, no, we've already disqualified you because one of the rules is you have to have a paper plate for your wheels. Who finished in 3rd? Who finished 3rd? Cole McNeil, you got paper plates on your wheel? Didn't you get a rule sheet, Flanagan? That's at imca.com. Look, you didn't wreck your car on Saturday night. You wouldn't have to worry about spending all day working on your boxcar.
Do we have to spin, Mommy?
So Patrick Flanagan is our winner, is that correct? Was that paper plate rule pretty important? I mean,
Mommy, I have
so that gives it to Cole McNeil. Does he have paper plates for rule?
Mommy, here. This all.
Wow. You got this. You can't even win a boxcar race legally. Thank you to Patrick Flanagan for being a good sport. Congratulations, Cole McNeil. He won the Micromod featured Independence last night. One of the boxcar race here tonight. We're going with the kids now.